Customizable options can be useful for specialized applications. Customizable configurations, rotor selection, option. Choose from a variety of rotor types, fixed angle, swinging bucket, etc. Importance. Tailors the centrifuge to specific sample volumes and container types. Temperature control, option. Set a custom temperature range for sample preservation. Importance. Ensures compatibility with sensitive samples requiring precise temperature control. Programmable settings, option. Program multiple protocols for routine use. Importance. Streamlines workflow and reduces setup time for repetitive processes. Capacity adjustments, option. Select a centrifuge with adjustable capacity limits. Importance. Supports varying batch sizes and sample throughput. Interface customization, option. Customize the control panel for ease of use. Importance. Improves user experience and accessibility. Connectivity options, option. Integrate with data management systems via USB or network connections. Importance. Facilitates data tracking and compliance with regulatory requirements. Customizable configurations of a micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuge enhance flexibility and adaptability for specialized applications. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding customizable configurations, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.